Good afternoon, everyone, and thanks for tuning in to Mid-Atlantic Weather here on YouTube. On this Tuesday, February 16th, here are the weather headlines. A significant winter storm will impact the region Wednesday night through Friday morning. A cold weekend is on the way, and it'll finally turn milder next week. We'll take a look at that in a few minutes, but right now let's head outdoors at the 3 o'clock hour and look at the temperatures across the Mid-Atlantic region. It's a mild day for the middle of February, with current readings in the upper 40s across much of Maryland, Delaware, southern New Jersey, and even up into southern Pennsylvania. Some locations have already reached the 50-degree mark this afternoon. With ample cloud cover across the area, I'm not expecting these temperatures to rise too much for the balance of the afternoon, and in fact later tonight, a cold, gusty northwest wind will bring in drier, colder air to the area, and by tomorrow morning most locations will be below freezing. That cold, dry air is going to set the stage for a significant winter storm that will begin producing snow across the region on Wednesday evening. Let's take a look at the GFS model to see how this is all going to pan out. Now we have the current system bringing rain showers to the mid-Atlantic. That's going to move off to the northeast. We'll have a bit of a break as we go in through the day on Wednesday. However, there's another low pressure system developing to our southwest. And with high pressure here to our northeast, this is critical. This high pressure is going to provide the cold air that's necessary for our snow and ice from Wednesday night into Thursday night. As the system continues to advance towards us, you can see widespread snowfall across northern Virginia into central Maryland. It looks like we're going to have a period of about 6 to 8 hours of moderate to, in some cases, heavy snowfall. And then the precipitation will change over to freezing rain. You can see here this pink shaded area. We have widespread freezing rain from southwestern Virginia all the way through central Maryland, Delaware, and into southern Pennsylvania. Rain, of course, to the south, and then heavy snow on the northwest quadrant of the storm. You'll see here that the freezing rain holds firm over central Maryland, so even as we go through the day on Thursday, we're expecting significant icing from central and northern Virginia into central Maryland. It's going to remain mostly snow across southern Pennsylvania, at least during the day on Thursday. But as the storm progresses, you'll see that the milder air turns the snow to freezing rain, even across northern New Jersey, the New York City area, and then eventually into southern Connecticut. This storm will move off, and for the weekend, we have cold high pressure that'll build in across the area. It'll be sunny over the weekend, but temperatures will struggle to reach the freezing mark on Saturday and Sunday, with overnight lows in the teens. It might even be a little bit colder than that with the fresh snowpack that we're expecting from this system. In terms of snowfall, this is the Euro forecast map. And again, don't pay attention to the numbers themselves, but generally speaking, this will give you an idea of where the snowfall is going to take place. And so the heaviest snowfall is going to be over western Maryland and north central Maryland into southern Pennsylvania. We're going to have a moderate snowfall from north central Virginia through Baltimore, Washington, into northern Delaware, and into southern New Jersey. Accumulation amounts, it's a little bit too early to say, but most of these areas will pick up at least a few inches of snow and perhaps even more. This is the ice accumulation forecast from the National Weather Service out of Baltimore. So when the snowfall changes to freezing rain on Thursday, we're going to have several hours of freezing rain. And the National Weather Service is expecting about 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch of ice accretion in the Washington, Baltimore, Annapolis area. On top of the snow, 1/4 of an inch of ice accumulation would likely cause power outages across the area, and residents in this area should probably plan on not traveling from Wednesday night through Thursday night and probably into Friday morning before temperatures break above the freezing point. Here are the current watches and warnings across the United States. You can see to our southwest we have some winter storm watches posted for much of western Virginia and also into southwest Virginia. These winter storm watches will likely expand northeastward into central Maryland, northern Virginia, southern Pennsylvania, Delaware, and southern New Jersey by this evening. Here's the current snowfall over the last 24 hours, and you can see while the East Coast was receiving rain, areas just to our west have received quite a bit of snowfall across Indiana and northwest Ohio, moving up into southern Michigan. And this is the current snowfall across the United States. You can see a lot of the snowfall has been wiped out in south central PA and also across Maryland, New Jersey, and parts of southern New England. Many of these areas will be receiving a significant accumulation of snow, again, at least a few inches planned for on Wednesday night into Thursday. We could have more than that. And then on top of the snow, we're going to have a lengthy period of freezing rain in this area. So residents should watch out for that and keep up with the latest changes in the storm track and the conditions. Well, folks, thanks for tuning in. We'll keep you updated on this winter storm heading our way from Wednesday night into Friday morning. My next update will include some specific accumulation forecasts for Central Maryland. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.